So, world's betting market has roughly gone around $600 billion in the last 5 years, and this is one of the markets which is exponentially growing very fast. So, welcome back to another video. I'm Harsh. I'm a founder of Adventure Media, a six-figure AI company that I run, and I brought you this n8n automation where it's gonna start every day at 6 a.m. in the morning, and then it's gonna assess all the bets and all the matches which are going to happen in the specific day itself, and it's gonna give you an update on your email. So this is the entire workflow that I've made for you guys. And to be really honest, I don't promote any kind of betting and anything, but I was just intrigued and triggered, somewhat curious to know more than like how AI can help us with betting, because AI is literally helping with every single thing that we have, but it's more likely to be very specific how it's going to welcome and how it's going to help us in specific niche, just like betting. So I'm going to explain this workflow to you completely and stay along with this, okay? I'll start with the trigger node that we have over here. That is a daily trigger which start at 9 a.m. and it depends upon how you want to trigger. You want to keep it at 8 a.m. or maybe at 7 a.m. Total depends upon you. Just click on execute step. You can see it's been completely executed. And next, there is a workflow configuration where you need to manually map those strings, that is soccer, US, head to head. You can add different markets as well. You can check out the last 5 matches of the games that they're having, not head to head, but if you are well aware about sports and how the market works, you need to understand that you need to check last 5 games that the team has played or how they work and everything. Okay, so I'll just click on execute step. You can add accordingly, which totally depends upon you. Then this is the most crucial step, guys. I'll tell you this. You need to fetch your main betting API key. That I'll be very much specific with that. Okay, you need to, the method is post. Oh, sorry, it's get. I'm so sorry with that. This is an HTTP request. You can see it over here. And as you can see, this is the whole API that you need to get it from odds.com. Okay, I'll just show it to you that this is odds.com. You need to go on that and you need to make sure you are putting your email and you're going to log in into it. So you're going to get your API key on your Gmail. I'll make sure I'll put that inside description as well so that you get it is easy for you guys. Okay, authentication is none, nothing, and you need to make sure after this API key you need to put your own API key. Okay, just make sure to do that. I'll click on execute step. You can see all the matches are here. Okay, let's see what matches we got. We got Borussia Dortmund. That price is 3-1. It's a draw, and Borussia Dortmund are playing against Atalanta today. Yeah, that's UEFA. That's UEFA Champions League. That's right. That the second leg, the Dortmund is playing over there. That's crazy. If you guys follow UEFA or UCL, it's called football. It's a football league. I'm so excited with that because I knew it's gonna catch that data of Borussia Dortmund, and wow, the bets are good. The odds are also good. I'm actually excited after seeing this. You can see it on my face, but yeah, that's how all it works. It's gonna bring all the data that you need. You can just keep scrolling down, 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 down. It's gonna be a lot of things. Okay, then there is an if node over here. If node is that if the market is, you need to just drag and drop the booking markets from here where it is. Okay, I need to find it. Wait. Yeah, sorry. This one you need to just drag and drop over there and it's going to be very much clear. I'll click on execute step. You can see the odds. We can get all this over here. And then here is the key part. You can just copy this, paste it, do whatever you want. It's completely for free for you guys. Okay. Now, this is my system prompt that I've given. I'll make it very, okay. This is my system prompt. Analyzing the following data of odd. This is the JSON that I've given over here. For each match of containing bookmaker, identify the best available decimal price for the each outcome, convert each price, implement in profitable probability using one is to dash odds, and normalize implementation probability. You can just copy the system message. You can write some rules, exclude matches which have empty bookers market area, or always return to a structured output. I'll give you that as well. It's gonna be inside the structured output itself. You must respond to the call of structured output tool, and you can write, just copy paste this, nothing more. Okay, and I'll show you the system message. Okay, this is a system message. You are a sports betting analyst engine. Okay, and you The task is to analyze various betting odds on the calculation probability using decimal of each match. Rules are like analyzing each matches for the bookers and market with has the price outcome. Use decimal to odds only. Remove bookmakers margin or normalizing probability so that the sum is to one. So this is the whole system message that I've drafted. You can just copy paste this completely like this, and you can just put this into chat gpt, and then you can actually make that a different one, okay, according to your needs. You can put nfl, you can put sports, you can put hockey, you can put f1, you can put whatever you want inside it, okay guys. Then I'll show you, this is the open router I'm using right now because just for testing, and this is the whole sauce that you guys need. This is the whole JSON structure. That's also JavaScript that you need inside it. The exact specific output I've given inside a JavaScript, which I've given you. You need to just copy paste this and just make sure you're pasting it inside your specific output. Okay, you can see description is home team and away team. It's most likely to be a football outcome, but it depends upon how you're gonna use this automation for yourself. Okay. Next, I'll go back and I'll give a formatted email structure for you guys. Okay, so this is how you need to manually map out the email subject, that is a string sports betting outcome. I'll make it big, okay, and that's the analysis that you're gonna get from the AI. You just need to drag and drop it over here. That's how the whole analysis goes. Okay, that's a specific date you can see over here as well. Then this is the whole body, the body string that says the summary of the whole head-to-head matches. You can see sports betting analysis and stronger data output and all those things which you can just drag and drop from your AI agent directly from here, whatever your AI is giving to you. Okay, the summary of it, and then you just need to connect your email. Okay, this is your email count, and just manually drag and drop. Right now you have songs. I believe that the people who are seeing the video right now have saw or maybe are learning or maybe have seen a lot of n8n automations on YouTube, and their brain is just freeze from it. So I'm not going to a detailed step-by-step guide where how you can drag and drop something like this to over here, or else you can just drag and drop the sports. You can just double click it and drag and drop over here in the body. It is done very simply. Okay, I hope you guys know it, and if you don't know, don't hesitate guys, just comment on this video. I'll help you out, or else my team can reach out to you and they'll help you out. Okay, this is how the whole system works. Okay, this is the whole n8n workflow that I've built for you guys, and it's specifically made for soccer, that is the football, because I'm a great football fan. Madrid is one of my favorite clubs. So it depends. You can just add one more to it. You can just disconnect it, or else you can add another HTTP request. HTTP request, yeah. And inside this, you can put the same get method and just put the URL. This is this one over here that you have, and make sure you put your API key, and you need to put the market as F1, or you can put NFL, or you can just put any kind of sport that you want, and you can just connect this directly to this like this. Okay, so every time you're connecting new outcomes to it, you're just gonna add new and new things. Okay, so just make sure you are able to do it. And betting market is something which is very much crazy. It's a lot of fun, but I'm not trying to promote any kind of betting, guys, to be really specific on this channel. But this is a sole video for the AI, how AI is going to help us in the coming years, and it's going to make more millionaires. I'm on this race on that, and I'm going to touch that specific number to become a millionaire real quick this year itself. So if you like this video and you have waited till here, guys, like and subscribe. And I have a bonus for you. I have also my calendar link, which has been directly connected inside the description. If you want something to build for your business, you want something, an AI which costs you less but brings a lot of outcome for your business, just book a meeting with me. Me or anyone from my team is going to jump on a call, and we can solve the problem inside your business. So I'm Harsh. I'll see you in the next one, guys.